People say Einstein once called compound interest the most powerful force in the universe. Whether he actually said it or not, one thing's for sure. He was right about its power. But what does that really mean? And why do so few people truly grasp it? Let's start with a story. Imagine two friends, Alex and Jamie. Alex starts investing at age 25, just $100 a month. Jamie waits. He's 35, thinking, I'll start when I make more money. Now, both earn the exact same returns, 8% a year. When they both turn 65, Alex has over $350,000, and Jamie, about $150,000. Same amount each month, 10 years difference. That 10-year head start made Alex over $200,000 richer, just from time. That's the quiet magic of compound interest. It doesn't care how smart you are or how much you make. It only cares about when you start. So how does it work? Simple interest is straightforward. You earn interest only on your initial investment. But compound interest? It's interest on top of interest. Each year, your money earns returns, and then those returns start earning returns of their own. It's like planting a single tree that grows apples, and then each apple grows another tree. At first, it's slow. But give it time, and suddenly, you're not just picking apples, you're managing an entire orchard. But this is the part that makes people anxious and where most give up. In the beginning, it feels like nothing is happening. You save, you invest, and the numbers barely move. You start to doubt, is this even working? That's the hardest part, the patience gap. The moment where time is doing all the heavy lifting, but your brain is screaming for results. Those who quit too early never see the curve bend. Those who stay, they watch it explode. Let's look at that curve. If you invest that same $100 a month with a 7% return, after 10 years, you'll have about $17,000. Okay. After 20 years, $52,000. Getting better. But after 30 years, over $120,000. Nothing else changed. It was the same $100 every month. Your time turned it from savings into wealth. This is why compound interest isn't just a financial principle. It's a philosophy of patience, a quiet deal between you and time itself. But there's a flip side, and it's a warning. Compound interest doesn't care if it's working for you or against you. Credit card debt, high-interest loans, they compound too, just in reverse. It's the exact same math, just flipped. The rich use compounding to grow their money. The poor experience it as debt that never seems to end. That's why the earlier you start saving and the sooner you pay off bad debt, the more you let the math lean in your favor. So, if there's one lesson to take away, it's this. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start and give time the chance to work its quiet magic. Because compound interest isn't about luck. It's about letting time multiply your discipline. Start small, stay consistent. And one day, you'll realize you didn't just earn money. You built a life where your money earns for you.